Namaste and welcome. Hi, this is Coach Pala Saraswati on a mission to help 100,000 children overcome learning problems by coaching teachers and parents. So, if you're a teacher watching this video, you can go to the description box, join our group, or fill the form to become an online tutor. We will guide you step by step how you can become an online tutor and help children online, especially children who are struggling, and earn the income of your choice. Okay, so this question is, one of the parent has asked this question: how to make a grade 2 child understand that school and learning is important? How to make a grade 2 child, bapre bap, to understand how school and learning is important? According to me, school and learning is not important, because you don't have to go to school to learn. You can learn from anywhere today. But because we have to send them to school for whatever reasons, we can't teach them it is important. We have to make it interesting. If the classroom is interesting, if the teacher is interesting, if the learning process is interesting, if there's curiosity in the classroom, if there's something new the child is learning, if the excitement level is high, learning is a byproduct of all this. The children automatically learn. Nobody goes to school to learn. You know what? Children go to school to have fun. When I was like that, I think many children I spoke to, they said, दोस्त हैं, मज़ा आता है, फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं, धमाल करते हैं. So the aim is only that, and I think that should be the aim, right? Byproduct is learning. So if you imbibe all this in the classroom, the learning will happen. But I think this question is from a parent. So parent unfortunately cannot make changes in school. She cannot go and tell the teacher, make your classroom interesting. So if you develop curiosity in your child and start asking more of why questions, why something happens, every time, if we work less on what and how, or after working on what and how, if you work on why, child's curiosity is very high at that age. And then you go to school, your teachers will tell you answers to these questions. If you go to school, you will get answers to these interesting questions in your classroom. In fact, the child would also stand up and start asking those questions. Instead of just saying there are 10 kinds of plants, which is okay, but saying why a plant grows like this in this region, why a plant in my house, a money plant, is like this, like a creeper, why I cannot keep a particular plant in my room and it has to be kept outside, or why some plants do not survive in sun, they survive better in inside, indoors. I'm just giving an example of plant. So things like this excites the children to learn. Children by nature are curious. We kill their curiosity in the pre-primary itself, and then we tell them padhai, padhai, padhai. We make that padhai difficult. We actually have to make the padhai easy, fun, majedar, enthusiasm. And for that, the teacher's level of knowledge, not knowledge, but that aptitude of curiosity, answering those questions, has to be there. Even if she doesn't answer, it is okay, because all answers are available in Google. You can search and answer. But developing that curiosity in the classroom is very important. She can say, "Mujhe nahi aata." Like I used to say a lot of answers, art, B.Ed or whatever. So I would say, but give me at least 1 week time. I'd go to the library, hunt for books, because those days the only place was library. Hunt for books, get some information in and around that topic, research a little more, and then go and tell them. So that kept their curiosity high, that okay, if you ask a question to her, she'll find out and tell. In fact, later what I did was, I started reading more than what the chapter had. I would go and explore and say, I'm going to tell you a lot of things about these people, this community, or this, if we can finish the chapter fast. So the children helped me a lot in completing that 2-3 page chapter, and we would discuss beyond the textbook. That kept a great bonding between me and children. In fact, they also started exploring things in library and getting information from home, sharing with the classroom. So curiosity is what makes a child go to school. Fun, thrill, excitement, fight, jhagda, masti, That's what is school all about. It's not about I am here to learn. Learning is byproduct. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. If you're a teacher watching this, kindly make your classrooms fun. If you're a parent watching this, just assess how much of fun is there in the classroom. If not, give suggestion to the principal over to make the classroom fun. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.